Welcome to How to Pay Bills using Telpay Online. We're going to show you an overview of how simple it is to make payments efficiently and securely with Telpay. So let's dive right in. Once logged in, you'll see our single sign-on feature. Click on your account and you'll be directed to its dashboard. In the dashboard, you'll find an overview of your account activities and options to manage your payments. Let's click on the Pay Bills option, which brings up a submenu with additional options related to managing your payments. First, let's add billers and make sure you have all their necessary information. Click on the Biller Management tab. Here, you get the flexibility and conveniences of having 3 methods to add billers: direct addition in Telpay, integration with your accounting software, and importing billers from an external source. To add a biller directly in Telpay, click on Biller List and then on Add Biller. Start by typing the biller's name into the search box. To save you time and reduce errors, Telpay has a verified payee list with over 200,000 billers to select from. If you find the payee here, you can click on it to load the payee's info. It's all there, eliminating manual entry and verification and speeding up the process of setting up new payees. If the biller is not found, you can create a new biller and provide the necessary information, including name, address, and banking details. And if you don't have the banking information, Telpay can send a check and request the payee's banking information going forward. If you use an accounting software that integrates with Telpay, you can use the second method of adding billers. This will integrate your billers for a seamless workflow where your biller information is synced with Telpay. Simply connect your accounts and Telpay will replicate your biller list from your accounting software. From here on, if you make any changes in your accounting software, you will instantly get the option to update that change in Telpay as well. You can also import payments in bulk using both the template method and mapping tool to streamline the process. Download the template and fill in the required fields. Then, back in Telpay, click and drag the filled-out template. If your accounting software uses all the same mandatory fields used in Telpay, then you can import your billers straight from your accounting software's CSV report without using the template. Let's click and drag the file and continue. Not all accounting software reports line up perfectly with Telpay, so Telpay gives you this mapping tool to make importing super easy. For instance, it looks like the accounting software has stored the bank ID and transit number differently than Telpay does. No problem, we'll just remap those 2 items. By clicking on Save New Mapping Template, from now on, your payer information will show up in the right column every time you do a fresh import. You've just imported your entire biller list in one bulk edition, making the process efficient and less prone to errors. Now you can start creating payments. Here again, Telpay gives you the flexibility to choose from 3 payment methods. The first is to create bill payments directly in Telpay. This is ideal for one-off or urgent payments where you can quickly enter the details and then execute the transaction and see each payment added to your list. The second method is to integrate payments by syncing with your accounting software to automate the process. This screen shows a mirror image of the invoices you have made in your accounting software, streamlining your workflow and giving real-time updates. Just click Add Payment, and each payment again is added to your list. The third method is to import payments in bulk from any accounting software that creates a CSV file using the template and mapping method. The steps are very similar to what you saw earlier in Step 6, importing billers. Payments approval is usually one of the most tedious yet important processes, but in Telpay, it's one of the biggest ways we can save time through the approval process. Once satisfied all the details are correct, send the payments for approval. The approvers selected will receive notifications to review and also see whether the payments have received 2 approvals yet. and easily add their approvals if still needed. No back and forth, no searching out approvers to complete the process. It's all right there on the dashboard, making it easy for everyone. Once approved, your payments are sent. And if you've synced Telpay with your accounting software, your invoice there is automatically updated to paid. It's that easy.